Size of bacterium, that varies bacterium to bacterium, different types of bacteria. The size varies, but mostly they ranges 0.5 micrometers to 1 micrometer in breadth. Two to 5 micrometers in length. Average breadth is 0.5 micrometers to 1 micrometer, and the length is average length is the 2 to 5 micrometers. Of course, the bacteria they differ in size, different bacteria, but it is the average size. Shape of bacteria, cone. Classified bacteria based on shape. Cone classified bacteria based on shape. They are spherical in shape. Spherical shaped bacteria called coccus. Rod shaped bacteria called bacillus. Comma shaped bacteria, Vibrios. Spiral shaped bacteria, Spirillum. This is the classification given by Cone. Cone classified bacteria based on shape. Spherical shaped bacteria coccus, rod shaped bacteria bacillus, comma shaped bacteria Vibrios, and spiral shaped bacteria called Spirillum. Now first come to the spherical shaped bacteria coccus. Here the bacteria are present either individually or in groups, especially cocci that show different arrangement of the cells. So based on the arrangement of the cells, these cocci bacteria are various types. Now first come to the coccus. Spherical shaped bacteria coccus. Single spherical shaped bacteria, monococcus, or micrococcus. Single spherical shaped bacteria, monococcus or micrococcus. A pair of coccus bacteria. Diplococcus, four coccus, Tetracoccus, a group of 4 cocci bacteria, Tetracoccus. Chain of cocci, Streptococcus. Many spherical shaped bacteria arranged in a chain, unbranched chain. Staphylococcus. Many coccus bacteria. Arranged irregularly. Staphylococcus. Many spherical shaped bacteria arranged irregularly. Staphylococcus. And a cube of 8 cocci. Sarcina. Cube of 8 cocci, Sarcina. So is the based on the arrangement and the number of cells. Cocci is of various types. Single spherical shaped bacteria, monococcus or micrococcus. A pair of spherical shaped bacteria, diplococcus. And 4 spherical shaped bacteria arranged in a plane, tetracoccus. And unbranched chain of spherical shaped bacteria, streptococcus. Many cocci or many spherical shaped bacteria arranged irregularly, staphylococcus. 8 bacteria arranged like a cube, sarcina. So this is the various types of the cocci. So such type of arrangement not observed in other types of bacteria.